Community-engaged learning really helps me to recognize how to connect the material that I want students to really learn with helping them recognize the value that that knowledge can have in their jobs, in their communities, in the way that they want to make a difference in the world. The XRP is a fantastic educational robotic platform that's been developed by FIRST, SparkFun, Raspberry Pi, WPI, DigiKey, and of course, Cornell. And the amazing thing about this robot that strikes people right away is it costs about the same as a K-12 textbook.
So the Ag XRP is a farm robot. It helps water plants, take soil measurements, and it can do all of this repeatedly without any human intervention.
Robotics and precision agriculture is the future. Without robotics and precision ag, we are not going to be able to fill these needs of having a healthy, safe, and sustainable food supply to our nation and to the world. With service of our communities, with service to the global agriculture community, precision agriculture is going to help us make those leaps.
We want to make this robot kit to be as accessible as possible.
The idea behind Ag XRP is to bridge the gap between STEM education and agriculture education. So it's one platform, and you can use it to teach your students about robotics and automation, but you can also use it to teach your students about the basics of agriculture.
The XRP as a whole just wants to give more people more opportunities in the robotics community, whether that be at Ithaca High School nearby or even across the world.
When I think about the work that Ag XRP is filling, that's what gets me excited. It's not an expensive tool that a teacher has to fill out multiple grants to try to bring this type of system into their classroom. It's systems that are going to be, even in small budgets, able to fulfill that need and that gap for students to touch and experience agriculture and engineering.
So Cornell students are really able to take advantage of being a part of community-engaged learning because it helps them recognize how what they're doing right now can make a real-world impact.
To work on something that I know will be benefiting a lot of people. That was definitely the best part about it to me, and I think that that's something I'd like to continue because it just feels like you're really making an impact with sort of work like this.
This robot initially is for helping the community. It's also a chance to transform the future of agriculture.